Today we are going to show you how to make this beautiful presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you want to be an expert, watch the video to the end. Let's begin the topic. I have already taken a blank slide. To go to insert, go to shape. Let me select a rounded corner shape from here and drag it here like this. Now click on yellow dot and make it more sharper and place it here. And make it duplicate, place it here and rotate it to 90 degree. Now place it here. Now let me go to select a oval shape from here and hold on the shift key and drag it to here and place it here and select all of the shape from here. Go to align, make it align center and make it align middle. Now this is perfect. Now let me select this one, press the right click of mouse from here, go to format shape. Let me make the transparency this kind. Now this is perfect and amazing. Now let me select this one, go to shape format. Let me decrease the height and width from here like this kind and let me make it 3.1 and select all of these. Go to shape format, go to align, make it align center and make it align middle. Now this is perfect and amazing. Now let me select all of the shape from here, go to shape format, make it fragment and select this one. Let me remove from here and select this one and this one. Go to merge shape, make it union, this one and this one. Go to merge shape and make it union and select this one and this one. Go to union merge shape and make it union, select this one and this one. Go to merge shape and make it union. Now this is perfect and amazing. Now let me select this one, go to gradient fill. Let me select a gradient fill from here, select this as to remove from here and this one remove from here and let me select this one. Now go to color, let me select this color from here like this one. Now this is perfect and let me select this isotope. Let me select this color from here. Go to type, make it radial and go to direction, place it this kind from bottom to left. Now this is perfect and amazing and place this one here and this one will be here like this and place this one here. Now let me select this one, go to gradient fill. This is perfect and a little bit make it here and this one will be here and let me select the direction from here, make it this kind. Now this is perfect and amazing and this one place it here. Now this is perfect and select this one, go to gradient, let me place it here and this one will be here. Go to direction and make the direction like this kind and this one will be here and select this one, go to gradient, let me place it here and this one will be here and this one will be here like this. Now this is perfect and this one will be here. Go to direction and select the direction like this one. Now this is perfect and amazing and place it here and this one will be here. Now this is perfect and amazing. Select this one, let me go to line and select the color. Let me select this color from here and let me go to again line and go to color. Let me select this color from here and select this one. Let me again select this color from here and let me select this one. Go to color and select this color. Now this is perfect and amazing. Let me select all the shape from here, make it Ctrl G and let me hold on the shift key and increase the size. Now this is perfect and amazing. Now let me add some text from here. Now let me add some emoji from here. Go to insert, go to shape, take a text box and drag it here. I have already copy emoji from here. Let me paste the emoji from here. Now it's perfect. Go to graphic format, make it white color. Now this is perfect. Go to shape and go to glow. Let me increase the glow size from here and select the white color from here. Let me decrease the glow size from here like this kind. Place it here and click here, select this one and place it here, and select this one and place it here, and select this one, place it here, and select this one and place it here. Let me click here and remove this one from here. Now this is perfect and amazing. And let me select all the text from here first. Go to animation, let me add animation from here. Select the flying animation from here. This is perfect and amazing. Now let me select all of these from here. Go to effect, make it from left and select all of these from here. Go to effect, make it from left. Let me select all of these from here. Go to effect, make it from right. It's perfect. And let me select all of this from here. Go to effect, make it from right. It's perfect and amazing. And select all of this from here. Go to effect, make it from top. Now it's perfect. Now let me go to watch the slideshow. First let me place it here and let me watch the slideshow. This is perfect. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos and presentation. Thank you.